how to select a delay analysis method. This is a case, you know, in your project case, you know, everyone is different. We do not have the same project, the same case. So it's a very common use time impact analysis. You know, it's if you are expert in time impact analysis, and so the client is as well. So both agree about time impact analysis. You will solve many issues on the table. It will save you a lot of headache and you know, problems. If it's a small size and consistent, small size, you refer to the impact as planned when you use the baseline. Consistent, you know, tunnel, road, linear project, it's as planned versus as built. You are comparing the longest path of the baseline program of work. In case the client wants an alarm, you know, he wants to be informed with the delays even before it happens. So it's impacted as planned or time impact analysis. If you have very good project records, then for any retrospective analysis, as built information, as built analysis, because you are, you know, investigating the as built. In case the baseline is inaccurate or you do not want to use the baseline, it's not reliable, so many mistakes in the logic and the duration. So you wanna use the longest path analysis or collapsed as built, because you are evaluating the as built critical path. You know, at the end of the project, one shot the as built information which you are analyzing. So you do not miss the attributes of the baseline program of work.